Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to print a nozzle check, which is kind of like a test page, on a Canon MG2551S. Now this is nice and simple, and can be done from the printer itself using nothing but the small control panel you can see here. So, to print this page, we're simply going to hold the stop button, which is this one here, represented by like a upside down triangle in a circle. We're going to hold that down long enough for the alert lamp here to flash orange once. So here we go. And once it flashes, we release it immediately, and you should hear your printer start to make some noises. And after a few seconds, you'll be presented with a page that looks like this. And what we have here is a breakdown of the black, cyan, magenta, and yellow ink that your printer uses. For the black, you can see we've got this quite intricate pattern, with the lines sloping ever so slightly downwards. And as you'd normally be printing text most of the time, this pattern's to help you identify any kind of fine lines or breaks in there, or even if the ink isn't being pulled through at all from the black cartridge. And for the colours, we've got more traditional solid bars. You want to pay particular attention to like the most vibrant ones, which is the top ones. Uses pretty much pure ink through there. And you'd be looking again for missing colours or stripes, anything of that nature, which could be affecting the quality of your prints. If you do have any issues, you'll probably want to check out our other videos on doing cleaning cycles from your printer, but I hope you found what you're looking for here. If you have, let me know with a like. If there's anything else you'd like to add, drop it down in the comments. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.